Two-dish rice meals are fast, cheap, and loved by Hong Kong's working-class people. But is it as easy to serve as it is to devour?
Today, we'll be learning the skills and techniques in putting together a good two-dish rice. Come with me.
Lo Hong Wan runs Hong Kong Family Food in Causeway Bay. Her top rule in assembling two-dish rice meals? Stay neat and tidy.
冇話整到周圍都係啲汁啊，或者嗰啲餸咧，整到喺飯盒外邊咯。咁啊，整翻好睇啲咧，個客會滿意啲咯。通常濕嘅嘢咧就擺翻有個格位嗰度。咁啊，乾身嘅嘢咧擺喺飯面咯。咁啊，濕嘅咧就盡量唔會整濕個飯咯。係啊，
三件啦。
係啦，擺翻靚仔啲。咁啊，三餸啦，你講三餸啦。
三餸係。
下菜啦。
頂晒佢。
係啦，冇錯。好熱係嘛？
好犀利啊！
係啊，係啦。
雞話係咪盡情不？
係啦，冇咁多汁。
哦，冇咁多汁。
除非個客人要求咯。
哦，係。合唔合格嘅三餸飯？
合格嘅三餸飯。
These meals are also called this rice because that's what customers often say as they point to place their orders. But it's not as easy as it sounds to actually serve it. You have to scoop enough of each dish to fill the compartments, but not so much that you can't close the container. The plastic boxes are also blisteringly hot, but you can't let that slow you down.
食飯都1個鐘頭，後邊排晒長龍。咁你坐住5分鐘咧，影響好大咯。咁咧都會話俾個客盡量快揀啲咯。
Two-dish rice stores have generally bucked the local trend of restaurant closures, with new stores opening across the city. But that doesn't mean existing shop owners aren't feeling the pinch.
以前有3間4間嘅，咁後來咧都結束咗，因為環境又唔同咗啦，二嚟咧好多人北上啦，競爭又大啦，周圍都開晒啦兩餸飯，最後都係剩翻呢間咯。
Some restaurants have started using more expensive ingredients or offering dine-in areas to stay competitive. Lo refreshes her menu monthly with seasonal dishes.
咁啊，我哋又開始咗咧open line 啦，同埋 WhatsApp 單啦，提前落單啦，咁樣嚟到你唔使排隊啦。呢樣都係一個幾好嘅途徑嚟嘅。經營兩餸飯好少有呢種經營方式咯。
Still, some customers worry that two-dish rice may be past its sell-by day.
我覺得現階段就係回落咗少少嘅兩餸飯嘅趨勢，希望可以 keep 住有呢一樣嘢嘅，因為其實佢入邊都係港式類嘅多嘅，咁有時有其他唔同國家口味有啦，但係都係貨我哋香港人口味為主咯，所以我覺得係應該係值得堅持。